Today let us see what multiples are. Let me begin with an activity. This is Ravi. He likes eating apples. He goes to the shop and buys 5 apples one day and eats them up. Next day he again buys 5 apples and he eats them up. And to tell you all, he is not at all satisfied eating these apples. Third day, again he goes to the shop and buys 5 more apples. After eating so many apples, his desire to eat apples becomes more, and again on the 4th day he goes and buys 5 more apples. And he eats these apples too. All of us know a thought that an apple a day keeps the doctor away. But Ravi has eaten more than 1 apple a day and now he has fallen sick. Ravi goes to the doctor and doctor asks him what has happened to Ravi. Now Ravi explains the story that he had eaten 5 apples each day for 4 days and now he has fallen sick. Now doctor asks him to count the apples that he has eaten. Now Ravi recalls every day and then he writes the number of apples this way. First day I ate 5 apples, that is 5 ones are 5. The apples of the next day, that is 5 twos are. Second day he adds it to the same apples, so 5 and 5. 5 twos are 10 apples. He adds the apple eaten by him on the 3rd day too. That is 5, 5 and 5. 5 threes are 15. And again he adds the apple eaten by him on the 4th day. 5 fours are 20. So first day he ate 5. Adding the apples on the 2nd day, he ate 10 together for 2 days. For 3 days he had eaten 15 and for 4 days he had eaten 20 apples. And now doctor treats Ravi, gives him the medicines and he tells him, eating anything more than what you require makes you ill. So Ravi goes home and takes rest. So let us now leave Ravi, let him take rest. We will see about the apples now. If you observe the numbers 5, 10, 15 and 20 are the multiples of 5, because we got these numbers when we multiplied a number by 5. We multiplied 1 by 5, we got 5. 2 by 5, we got 10. When we multiplied 3 by 5, we got 15. So when we multiplied 4 by 5, we got 20. So the common number here is 5. So 5, 10, 15, 20 and so on are the multiples of 5. Multiples are nothing but it is the product obtained when the number is multiplied by the same number or any other number. Let us see, if we multiply the number by the same number, what are we going to get? That is, multiply 5 by 5 gives us 25. That means 25 is also the multiple of 5. So to find the multiples of 5, you can multiply 5 by any number. Let us now see one more example. Do you remember these straws? I have put 7 straws in one bundle. If you can see, you can count here. Now we will see the multiples of 7. The bundles are arranged this way. Let us write them, count and write the number below them. 7 ones are 7. So writing them in order give us, we can clearly see that there are 12 bundles and each bundle has 7. That means 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14, 7 threes are 21, 7 fours are 28, 7 fives are 35, 7 sixes are 42, 49, 56, 63, 70, 77 and 84. Now, when the same number, when 7 is multiplied by the same or any other number, the product that you get is called the multiple of that number. Now the circle numbers are the multiples of 7. I did not say only the circle numbers are multiples of 7 because this number continues further. So to get the multiples of any number, you have to multiply that number enormous times, means many and many and many times. You will get many and more multiples. Now we already have, with these two examples, we can conclude a few things. First one is that a number is a multiple of itself. Okay, a number is a multiple of itself. We can see here 5 is a multiple of itself, 7 also is the multiple of itself. Second one, see the first number. 5 ones are 5 and 7 ones are 7. There is a other way to write the same number. It is like this. 1 sevens are 7, 1 fives are 5. So this is the common thing, that number 1 is common in both. So by this we can conclude that every number is the multiple of 1. Any number you take, that is a multiple of 1. For example, if you take 10, 1 tens are 10 or 10 ones are 10. 1, if you multiply 10 by 1, you will get 10. So 10 becomes the multiple of 1. Any number or every number becomes multiple of 1. Now if you observe the multiples or the encircled numbers, we can see that every multiple of a given number is either equal or more than the number. Once again, every multiple is equal to or more than the number. Multiples cannot be lesser than the numbers. There is only one multiple which is lesser than the given number, that is 0. So 5 into 0 gives you 0, 7 into 0 gives you 0. Same way, as 1, 0 also is the multiple of every number. But 0 cannot be the factor of any number except 0. 0 can be the factor of 0, but 0 cannot be the factor of any other number. Back to multiples, 0 is multiple of every number, 1 also is the multiple of every number, and every multiple of all the numbers are either equal or greater than the given number. So I told you can even continue after this, which means every number has an infinite number of multiples. There are many and many multiples for one number. This was all about multiples.